ever create a project that just doesn't go the way you want it? That was this order. Nothing worked. I made it work, and you can too. You got this. I burned this design on my screen 3 times, and each time it washed out. So I concluded that my emulsion was probably bad. I didn't want to order more and wait a week for it to come in. I didn't want to drive downtown. So I decided I might as well just make a vinyl screen print and do it that way. B actually eventually worked, but it didn't align to my proof, which made it a little tricky. As you saw, I ended up just winging the alignment, which I wouldn't suggest, but it worked out great. The war against the tape. I kept having to peel it up and it took twice as long. Part of the reason it didn't work was because of the alignment of the vinyl. Usually how screen printing goes, but the end result is worth it. Now let's get to the fun part and actually screen print. Although I probably could have just ordered the emulsion and saved all this headache, but nonetheless. And anyways,